Hello, 14 today. Okay, it has two parts. So first part says show that x is this much and has the final volume. Okay, you see in the cross section of this prism, it is like an isosceles triangle where this is 30 degree, this is 30 degree. Okay, and this height is h. So this is h and this whole thing is x. Okay, so if I draw this diagram again, like the right side of it only, so it is like this triangle. This part is h, this part is x by 2, and this angle is 30 degree, right? Okay, so can you tell me what is tangent of 30 degree? Tangent of this angle. Okay, it is h divided by x by 2. Am I right? Okay, so you can see that x by 2 is equal to h divided by tangent 30, and x is equal to 2 times h over tangent 30. And what is tangent of 30 degree? 2h divided by tangent of 30 degree sine is 1 over under root 3. So it will become 2 under root 3 times h. So this is the value of h. Okay, now the area of this triangle, the area of this cross section, that area would be half x into h. So half, and x is basically 2 under root 3 into h times h again. So it will become 3 under root h square, right? And the volume is this thing times the length of this prism, which is 5. So it will become 5 under root 3 into h square, and the units would be a meter, so it is cubic meter. Right, so this was the first part. Show that two. Okay, yes, so we showed this is one thing we were asked to show, and the volume we found is here. Okay, now the next question is the part 2. What does it say? The container is filled at a rate of 0.5 cubic meter per minute. It means dV by dt, the rate at which the volume is changing, it is 0.5 cubic meter per minute. Okay, this is given. Okay, at the instant when h and h at this instant is equal to 0.25. Okay, now part A, we need to find the rate at which h is increasing. So we need to find dh by dt. This is we need to calculate. Okay, you can see from this expression, okay, that dv by dh, how much is this? From here, I'm talking about. Okay, so if we differentiate this volume with respect to h, it is going to be 5 under root 3 into 2h. So this is 10 under root 3 into h. Okay, so I hope you agree that dv by dt is equal to dv by dh into dh by dt, right? Simple chain rule. So from here we can see that dh by dt, it is equal to dv by dt divided by dh by dt. Now dv by dt, it is given as 0.5 cubic meter. So 0.5 cubic meter per minute divided by dh by dt. dh by dt, where is dh? So, sorry. Um, it is dv by dt. Ah, dh by dt is equal to dv by dt. Now with dv by dh. Sorry. So this has to be dv by dh. My mistake. Sorry. And dv by dh is 10 under root 3 h. And h is known as 0.25, so we can substitute all things here. 0.5 divided by 10 under root 3 into 0.25. So this all comes out to be, I calculated this whole thing, and it came out to be 0.115, and it is meter per minute. Okay, and what is part B? The rate at which x is increasing. So we need to find dx by dt. This is what we need to find out. Okay, we can do this way. Remember, dx by dt, it is going to be dx by dh into dh by dt. Chain rule. What is dx by dh? Remember, this is what we have. So from here, I can see dx by dh. It is under 2 under root 3 only. So this is 2 under root 3 and dh by dt. Okay, let me simplify this thing. I did it before, but let me do it again. So if it is 0.5, yes, this whole thing, it is basically under root 3 divided by 15. So if I substitute this thing over here into dh by dt, so this is under root 3 over 15, it becomes 3 times 6 over 15. This is 0.4. Again, meter per minute. Okay, because everything was given in terms of per minute, but the answer at the end of the book, it says per second. I think this is a mistake. All the values were given in minutes term, in the per minute term. So my answer should be in per minute and per minute. Okay. I hope everything is clear. If you have any question, you can always ask in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.